Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally here, and if I haven't said it already, happy November. Y'all, where has the year gone? It seems like the year was moving so slow at the beginning, but once we got to like June or July, things just started to pick up so fast. I cannot even believe it's already November. We'll be in 2021 in no time. But while we still have 2 months left, keep crushing your goals, keep going after the things that you desire. I just believe that the best is yet to come. So you guys don't lose hope. Things are just going to get better, I believe. But let's get right into the video, guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a headband wig by Beauty Forever. And this unit is in the body wave texture. It's actually the first body wave texture that I've done. And also maybe the first silkier texture that I've done that hasn't been curly. I've done a lot of curly and like water wave, things like that, but nothing with a really silky straight texture. So this is going to be interesting because I do have naturally kinky curly hair. I am type 4 natural. So blending my hair is going to be interesting with this wig. But because it is a headband wig, I will be able to pull it forward, which is most likely what I'm going to have to do in order to make sure it looks nice with my texture. But we'll get there in a moment. But in the packaging, it does come with headbands. It came with this one, which I believe is like a scarf style headband. It also came with this pink one with these gold stars. And then this one, which I feel like would look really good with my top. Let me see what this one looks like right out of the package. So this is the print. It has like a gold tassel design on it. I feel like it's gonna look so pretty with my top. I'm kind of debating if I'm going to use this scarf or one of my own, but I might end up using this one. This one is really cute. And let's see what the wig looks like. So if you're one of those girls who really don't prefer a curlier texture, then this will be a great option for a headband wig for you. And I already see something I like. They did a really good job sewing the wefts under the headband so that they're really nicely concealed. I really like that a great deal. The way that they sewed the hair on has been done very well. I don't actually see any openings or anything on the side. Sometimes that does occur with some of the headband wigs, but this one doesn't have that going on. So that's awesome. And it is really flat at the top as well. So that's great. The headband that it comes with isn't one that's long, and that's a feature that I do like. This one also has holes, guys. I've shared in the past that I really like when headband wigs or any wigs in general have these holes because it helps with ventilation. It really helps to get oxygen to your scalp, which can also be a great component when it comes to hair growth. This one does come with 2 combs, and these are going to be great for security. I do like how long these combs are. I do wish that this one also had combs on the side, but it doesn't. But we'll see how snug it fits because I usually don't even use the combs like that anyway, so we should be good. All right, so let's try it on. Again, let me show you guys my hair. I've already slicked it down and everything, so we're not going to have to worry about that, but I am most likely going to have to pull the unit much further up than I usually do with my curlier textures because this is a straighter texture, and as you all can see, my hair is not straight. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna have to put it about right here so that it works for me. I'm gonna pull the hair up in the back. I do typically use the comb in the back just to make sure that it's flush to my head, especially when I'm doing updo styles. That really helps. This unit fits so well on my head. And that's cute. And just like that, guys, we have hair. Of course I have hair, guys, but we have a straighter texture, and I didn't have to straighten my hair or anything. I didn't have to go to the salon and get a silk press. We got that straight, silky hair. Y'all, look at how nice this texture looks. and I don't have to curl it or anything. I was uncertain as to whether I was going to have to bump it or do some loose curls in it, but I really like how the body wave texture looks right out of the package. So we don't have to do anything, nothing. Now, if you wanted to, you could curl it, but I'm not going to do that because I like it the way that it is. So right now I'm going to try on the headbands that they sent, show you guys what they look like. I do actually prefer a wider headband, but as I shared in my previous tutorial, if you're using a headband that is on the narrow side, all you have to do is take the band that's already on the unit and fold it under. This is going to make it look skinnier, and you're going to be able to conceal it so much better.
Ryan Little.
Y'all, this unit is literally a no work needed unit. Like, look how quick we were able to slay and not have to do a whole lot of work. If your edges are already done, you pretty much just have to put the unit on, find a nice headband to go with it, and you're out the door in no time. There's no lace, no glue, no gel, nothing that you have to worry about with installing these headband wigs. They are my favorite. I just love these. And you can get a straighter texture in no time without having to damage your own natural hair. And y'all, I did get this unit in length 20, and I also got it in 150% density, and it is true in density. I do like this density and length a great deal because I do feel like it gives it a really natural look. Y'all, I'm really feeling this cheetah print headband with this red lip and my top. It looks really good. I really don't even want to take it off and try the others on, but let me try those on just to show you guys. And I believe they do provide free headbands with your unit. And this unit does come in a range of different lengths. You can get it in length 12 all the way to length 26. So that's awesome. I didn't go as long this time with this texture, but I'm really feeling this length. So this is the head wrap that I was referring to. This one has this beautiful print. I have a matching dress and also a matching mask to go with this one. It's from Dianu and it's so beautiful. I feel like it would look good with this unit. Let's try that out. And I think I'm gonna take the bottom of it and just kind of put it off to the side. So I'm gonna take a clip and just clip it off to the side.
Every morning I'm gonna be here. Why are you crying? Why so many tears? You've been there for me, I've been there for you.
Oh, that's so nice. I like that.
Look in the mirror and think this through.
That looks really good.
And pretty as you. I never could leave, you gotta believe. But you think my heart's not there. Cause it's been a while. You keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see. After these years, you're still pretty, pretty. Truth be told, we've grown stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. Cause I still think you're perfect. Perfect. Pretty, 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 pretty. Every morning you're next to me. Why do you worry? Just go back to sleep. I know you love me, you know I love you. Oh, think of the moments of me and you. Our love is stronger for what we.
You don't even have to do anything else. Like, this is just adorable. I love this so much. I do want to do a high ponytail, and I feel like this is going to be too overwhelming for that style. So I'm going to tuck this flap as well.
Baby, baby, driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times will cherish. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair. It ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you.
Alright y'all, that's the end of this video. I was able to show you all some really simple and easy styles with a body wave texture, which is a little different from what I've tried so far. And it looked really great with this head wrap. I love that for me. So I hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to check the description. I will have the link and all the specifications for this unit down there. I'll also be sure to provide my headband wig playlist along with my lip color. This is a Lip Bar Lippy in color Boss Lady. I love this color. It's the perfect red, and I've shared it on my channel before, but I'll try to remember to link that down below as well. I love you guys. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Be sure to share this video and check out all my other previous videos as well. I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.
Chocolate factory, all of these chicks coming at me.